Yet again, another man of the cloth have stirred up quite a bit of controversy.
When you change the way your body functions with a machine to accept 3 hours, then a man comes. Him love God, him love you. All when him go on, half an hour him not do nothing.
Apostle Andrew Scott of the Greater Worship International Fellowship said that the use of dildos can attract forces of evil into the home and has issued a stern warning to Jamaicans who have been caught up with using dildos and other toys for sexual pleasure.
We're a viewing audience who have marital issues, and some who are here because of a dildo. And I have to say, take the parts you want, leave the rest. But I say it because sometimes these things come in and then now it disappoints you. And you have women who are leaving their husbands because of not being able to go the distance. Some people vex with him. Nobody touch me, huh? Hello, let the man bill. Yesterday was a minute, no minute and a half. We are going so far.
The pastor said that based on a survey that he conducted, single and married women have introduced these toys into their homes and marriages are now having issues. The minister stated that it is impossible for a male to compete with a sex toy, and as a result, a lot of men are now taking sexual enhancement drugs to match up to these dildos.
All when him a eat and drink massa and papa and cow skin juice, uppity up 13, kick off the gate, jump over a fence, you know, drink up maca juice, wash soup, all them thing there. Him now go 3 hours. Yeah man. Not even if him a drink a special here, them have no rocket launcher.
Scott also stated that when a man falls short in the bedroom because he is unable to perform like the dildo, marriages fall apart.
When a man reaches his heights or climax, maybe in a minute, couple seconds, whatever, you fill in the blank. Then that valve, it chips in to protect the body. You couldn't just climb higher, 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 and go along, so you know. You have to climb high and chip out to come back to climb again. So God set the body in that way.
He is encouraging single women not to be tempted to use dildos to quench their sexual thirst, but to meditate on the word of God and wait until they find a suitable husband. Interesting story, wouldn't you agree? So what are your thoughts? Do you believe what Scott is saying? Please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, live free, prosper, and most importantly, walk good.